Have you ever wondered why some people seem not to recognize your true value? In a world that often values appearance over essence, it can be challenging to be seen and appreciated for what really matters. But imagine turning that around by making those who overlooked your value deeply regret not seeing what was right in front of their eyes. This guide is not just a set of strategies, but an awakening to the power that resides within you. In this video, we will explore 11 practical ways, grounded in Stoic wisdom and beyond, to cultivate self-respect, project confidence, and ensure you are never underestimated again. From daily self-value practices to strategic changes in social interaction, each step is a brick in building a new reality where you are fully valued. Get ready to provoke a change not only in others' perceptions, but also at the core of your self-esteem. Topic 1. Self-assessment and recognition of one's own value. In today's fast-paced world where others' opinions often echo louder, one can easily feel undervalued. Recognizing one's own value, independent of any external validation, is an essential step in building robust self-esteem. The practice of self-assessment allows a person to understand their emotions and accept that they are complete on their own. Cultivating this understanding, reinforcing that others' approval is not the cornerstone of personal satisfaction, can be a powerful antidote against chronic dissatisfaction. How can one start this process? A recommended practice is a self-affirmation journal, where one records positive thoughts about oneself daily. This practice not only reinforces self-knowledge, but also serves as a constant reminder of one's capabilities and achievements. Another approach is to dedicate moments of the day to reflection, as suggested in Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, where one ponders their own acts and their impact on the surrounding environment. Moreover, understanding that the relentless pursuit of approval can lead to a spiral of need and emotional dependency is crucial. This understanding can be achieved through introspection and mindfulness techniques that help center thoughts in the present and reduce anxiety about what others think or fail to think. Thus, a person begins to value their own opinions and feelings more than those of others. However, it is also essential to practice self-compassion. Recognizing one's own flaws and limitations with kindness is a Stoic virtue that strengthens emotional resilience. Seeing oneself with kindness rather than criticism facilitates the process of personal growth and promotes an inner peace that is independent of external factors. Cultivating this type of daily self-appreciation can not only improve a person's quality of life, but also prepare them to face the world with a more balanced and stoic perspective. By valuing oneself, a virtuous cycle of self-respect and admiration is created that naturally extends to relationships with others, forming a bridge to the next discussion topic: how Stoic principles can be applied in daily practice. Topic 2. Stoic principles in practice. The Stoic wisdom that advises focusing on what is within our control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, serves as a compass for those seeking balance in a world where we cannot control others' opinions and actions. This philosophy promotes deep introspection, encouraging understanding of the reasons why certain external attitudes affect us. By doing so, one can cultivate a healthy emotional distance, which does not reflect disinterest, but a protection of one's own inner peace. How then can these principles be applied in everyday life? Starting by establishing daily goals that reflect Stoic values can be an effective method. For example, setting the goal of not reacting negatively to unfavorable comments during the day, and instead reflecting on why these comments trigger certain emotions. The practice of writing daily reflections, similar to those found in Marcus Aurelius's Meditations, can also help internalize these principles and assess personal progress. On the other hand, the practice of visualization is another useful Stoic technique. It involves imagining challenging scenarios and predicting balanced responses, mentally preparing the individual to handle adverse situations with serenity. This technique reinforces the idea that although we cannot control external events, we can control our responses to them. Another practical action is the exercise of gratitude, which can shift the focus from things we cannot control to those we can. Maintaining a gratitude journal, where one notes down daily positive aspects of life, helps to strengthen the stoic mindset and cultivate a sense of contentment and internal happiness, regardless of external circumstances. Therefore, by adopting these stoic practices, one reinforces the perception that the true source of contentment and happiness resides within us, not in external perception or approval. This understanding is crucial for the next step in the journey of self-valuation, which is the practical manifestation of this valuation in everyday life. Topic 3. Value yourself. Valuing oneself is an act of self-recognition that resonates deeply in how others perceive and treat us. Knowing and promoting one's own value involves deliberate actions that positively reflect self-esteem. Choosing activities that boost confidence or establishing healthy boundaries in relationships are clear examples of how one can demonstrate self-valuation on a daily basis. How can one effectively demonstrate this self-valuation? Initially, one might opt for activities that reinforce personal skills and talents. Participating in workshops, reading books that expand knowledge, or engaging in hobbies that awaken passion are ways to affirm one's own value. Books like The Obstacle is the Way, which offers a modern perspective on stoicism, can be particularly inspiring. Setting clear boundaries is also essential. This might mean saying no to commitments that do not add value or compromise personal well-being. Learning to refuse requests that are at odds with personal values is a practice of self-respect and a declaration of emotional and mental independence. Moreover, celebrating small achievements is an effective way to cultivate a positive self-image. Whether it's progress at work or an improvement in personal care, each step forward is an opportunity to recognize one's own effort and success, thus reinforcing self-esteem. Finally, investing in oneself, whether through education, healthcare, or personal style, is a direct reflection of how one values oneself. This not only projects a positive image outward, but also internally strengthens the conviction that one is worthy of investment and care. This recognition and affirmation of personal value lay the groundwork for the next step: improving physical appearance, which is a natural extension of personal valuation and has a significant impact on how others see and treat us. Topic 4. Improve your physical image. Physical appearance is a fundamental aspect of self-expression and plays a crucial role in how others perceive and treat us. Investing in one's own appearance by choosing a style that truly reflects one's personality and aspirations not only elevates self-esteem, but also projects an image of someone who values and respects themselves. How can one start to improve their physical image in a practical way? An initial step could be consulting a style professional or seeking inspiration on fashion platforms where one can learn about combining pieces that best express individual identity. Additionally, caring for physical health through balanced nutrition and regular exercise reflects externally the respect one has for oneself. Grooming is also an essential part of maintaining a good physical image. Investing time in skincare, hair care, and personal hygiene not only improves appearance, but also reinforces the notion that taking care of oneself is a priority. These practices not only enhance the visual, but also strengthen confidence and personal well-being. Moreover, it is important to be mindful of body language. An upright posture, a firm handshake, and confident eye contact are non-verbal ways of communicating self-esteem and self-respect. These small details can make a significant difference in others' perception of you. By valuing and caring for the physical image, a person not only improves their self-esteem, but also positively influences how they are treated by others. This external valuation is a reflection of the self-respect cultivated internally and paves the way for more visible practices of self-valuation, such as smiling more, which not only improves one's own disposition, but also interpersonal relationships. Topic 5. Smile more. Smiling is a simple action that can significantly transform the atmosphere around you and improve interpersonal relationships. It is an external manifestation of confidence and openness that is not only contagious, but also triggers the release of endorphins, promoting well-being and reducing stress. Adopting the habit of smiling, even in challenging situations, can help maintain a positive and welcoming posture. How to incorporate more smiles into daily life? A practical way is to start the day with a smile when looking in the mirror. This small action can adjust your attitude to a more positive one throughout the day. Additionally, seeking content that provokes laughter, such as comedy shows or humorous books, can help cultivate a light mood that is easy to share with others. Smiling can also be an excellent coping mechanism in stressful situations. For example, before entering a meeting or situation that causes anxiety, taking a moment to consciously smile can reduce tension and mentally prepare for a more serene and confident approach. Moreover, smiling helps strengthen social connections. People are more likely to approach and interact with someone who appears friendly and accessible. Therefore, smiling not only improves your mood, but also attracts positivity from others, facilitating the formation of social bonds. Cultivating the habit of smiling reinforces an image of someone who is not only confident, but also positive and open to new connections and experiences. This simple habit can have a profound impact on how you are perceived and treated daily, establishing a solid foundation for practices of kindness and contact limitation, which is crucial for maintaining healthy and balanced relationships. Topic 6. Be kind but limit contact. Kindness is an admirable virtue that, when balanced with healthy boundaries, protects personal energy and teaches others how you wish to be treated. Being approachable, but not overly available, helps maintain a balance in relationships and ensures that your value is not taken for granted. This balance is essential for cultivating mutual respect and maintaining healthy and sustainable relationships. How to implement this approach in practice? Defining and clearly communicating your boundaries is the first step. This can be done through honest conversations, where you express what your personal boundaries are and what is expected in interactions. For example, you can establish rules about availability for calls or visits, ensuring that these boundaries are respected. Another useful practice is learning to say no respectfully and firmly. This not only affirms your independence, but also helps avoid burnout and resentment. For example, refusing an additional commitment at work when already overloaded is a way to protect your mental and physical health, showing that you value your own well-being. Additionally, it is important to regularly self-assess to ensure that the established boundaries still meet your needs. This can include a review of how you feel after social interactions and adjustments as necessary to maintain your energy and well-being. Practicing kindness without forgetting to protect oneself creates an environment of respect and mutual appreciation. This approach not only improves the quality of relationships, but also strengthens the perception of self-value, preparing the ground for facing challenges with serenity and confidence, such as maintaining calm under pressure. Topic 7. Maintain calm under pressure. Maintaining calm in stressful situations is a demonstration of control and maturity, characteristics that elevate others' respect